Hope you all are doing fine here. And today I'm going to take you back a couple of decades, or more than a couple of decades. It's been almost 3 decades. We will go into the 90s. We will see some of the magnificent electronic stuff that was part of our 90s culture, and it was actually very important part of the Bollywood industry as well. So we are talking about the tape recorder industry, the tape recorders and the cassette industry. So I have a small collection here which I collected during that time in the mid to late 90s and the early 2000, and I have few cassettes here also which I'm going to show you guys. And you can see the big Sanyo tape recorder, which was at one point of time, this was a proud gadget or proud appliance in everybody's house, right? So it was even great that one of us had this, and we could bring our friends over, showcase this collection to them, and we could just spend some evenings listening to endless songs, right? That was the joy this offered at that point in time. All of that has changed now. Things have gone completely digital. We now have our mobile phones that can do all this stuff and more, and these mobile phones are with everyone. So there's now no dearth of cassettes or songs or anything. It's all on demand. That's how the whole life has changed. Interestingly, I have one more stuff here, and that is a recorder. So you can use this, put the cassette inside it and record how much ever you want, and you can play it later. It used to be an interesting gadget at that point in time. Maybe I have some old cassettes also which I never opened. These are used for recordings, right? And micro cassette. Yeah, so people can use it during their meetings, record the important meetings, and then play it and pick up from there, right? So it used to be an important accessory at that point in time. No, not many people had it, but fortunately I had it. Well, what we'll do here, I showed you a glimpse of this cassettes, and there are many of them. I am going to pick up some important cassettes from there, especially around Bollywood, and those of you guys who are interested in Bollywood, the kind of cassettes that used to come out there and just want to relieve that nostalgia, please stay along, and I'm going to show them one by one. Even have one with a DDLJ, which was one of the popular ones at that point in time, and we'll even open up some of these cassettes and see what are the roles inside of it, right? So that's what you're going to go today, and I hope you guys all are in for it, and I'm expecting that this to be a treat for at least some of you guys who used to enjoy this cassettes and the music that came out of it in the 90s. So stay tuned. So the first one which I have here is Dhoom. This is the first Dhoom movie. Let's see that. Okay, this one, yeah, it has a very simple cover. Yeah, it has Isha Diol, it was. Yeah, let's just see if we can. I'm not going to open up every one of them, but at least show you the inside cover of this one. Yeah, it showed Dhoom Machale, Shikdum, Dilbara, Salame. These were the songs at that point in time, and this was the cover. It was from Saregama. Saregama is one of the main music labels at that point of time, and still is, right, one of the top ones. So that is Dhoom. Next we'll go to one of the most popular movie of all times. It just celebrated some 25 years, that is DDLJ, and you have Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan featured right there in the front cover. Not much here, so I'm not going to open it up and waste time, right? The next one we have, I don't remember this movie much. Mil Gayi Manzil Mujhe, right? Old movie there. And then we have Yaaden. I remember this one. This used to be a pretty popular movie when it came out. Does it have? Yeah, it has some little bit of. Yeah, it has actually more. Just opening it up so you guys can take a look. Yeah, it has a big roll inside. Yeah, it had lyrics as well. There is lyrics and a forward and all that kind of stuff. So interesting there. Just putting it back, and we have Man, right? Yeah, that's the back it's from Tips, right? This is not from Saregama, it was from Tips. It used to cost 55 bucks, if you guys can see at that point in time, which is pretty costly. I think it's Manisha who's the actress here, and yeah, of course Amir. Please correct me if I'm wrong. See, I've lost touch of all this a long time back. I'm sure you guys will definitely know better than me. So we have Chalte Chalte, Rani Mukherjee and Shah Rukh Khan featured there. It's a plain one. We have obviously one of the biggest blockbusters of that time, which had a huge star cast featuring Amitabh, Shah Rukh, Hrithik, and Kajol, Kareena, everybody, right? I'm assuming, yeah, this has a big. See, there's nothing to show in the cassette as such. It's not like showing off a comic because the cassette is plain and simple. There's nothing more to it. What is important is what is inside it. So, not talking, but you could see the reel that is inside it. It has all the movie clippings, and that used to be a big attraction at that point of time. It's like owning a memorabilia from the movie, right? That's the kind of feeling it evoked, right? And it had pictures on both sides, all the star cast there, the entire star cast. So yeah, that is something to treasure for. I'm just happy that this is still in a good condition, and yeah, it's from Sony Music, as you guys can see the label. We have another one which is 36 Chinatown, Abbas Mastan Music. Next one we have is Mela. I loved this movie when it came out. Yeah, again it has a full reel, and the outside packet has become pretty bad, but yeah, the reel is still great. So this is one way to enjoy, right, the movie clips. You get a lot of movie clips that comes out because it was like a big launch when it come out, right? The music launch and the direct audio launch. Nowadays all this comes through different OTT platforms. When I say OTT, you like Gaana, Saavn, Hungama, Wink, all these guys are the ones who are supplying the songs nowadays. This is an international one. It's Celine, All the Way, a Decade of a Song is what it's called. I forgot what was inside it, but okay, it has a lot of lyrics and stuff. So that is Celine. Next one we have is Wo Kaun Thi. I don't think this is I'm not sure if this was an original release or it's a duplicate one, like I mean the cassette, but yeah, that's Wo Kaun Thi. Jimmy Shergill there. Oh, this is one of the famous ones. Unfortunately, it is in a pretty bad shape. This is Gangster, right? Yeah, it is in pretty bad shape. Somebody had put some marks and all on that, so I'm not going to go into that. Next we have Lagaan, an epic movie, the one which went to the Oscars as well. I hope, yeah, they have a reel here, and it's always good to check out a Lagaan reel. Okay, it has the lyrics. I wanted to show you guys some pictures. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Thinking back of all those times when you used to listen to this with your friends at home. You used to take the tape recorder out and stuff like that. We have now, this is the one which is slightly different because it has two movies in one. It has Hum Tum and it has Murder. Right, I used to love this movie Hum Tum, and Murder was also something which we used to look out for. It has all the popular music from there. So this is a double 2-in-1, and we have another one which I have it, which is R.D. Burman, Dil Kehta Hai, and it has double cassettes inside, right? You can see it has a lot of songs, right? So it came decked up, and that's another one which was a treasure at that point in time, right? So some of this at that point in time, the cassettes used to sell with the composer as well. The composers used to be pretty big. Salam Namaste. I think it came soon after Hum Tum. This one was Preeti Zinta and Saif Ali Khan. The other one was, of course, Rani Mukherjee. Yeah, that is. Next one we have, we'll go quickly now, we'll have Mohabbatein, one of the most famous movies, especially loved the songs that was inside it, and yeah, brilliant movie. Obviously we don't see Amitabh here, but yeah. Next one we have is Dulhan Hum Le Jayenge. Yep, Salman Khan taking his shirt off. Again, it's a Tips audio release. We have Badshah. I love the cover here. Abbas Mustan movie. Venus used to be the one who bought this out. If I guys can show you quickly, because I love this movie, and there could be some stills here. Yeah, there is one still. Badshah. Badshah. Oh, Badshah. Enjoyed this movie and the cover. Okay, what do we have here? Ya Ali remix. This is the remix one, Himesh Reshammiya. Next one we have Duplicate. Again, Shah Rukh Khan. We have a baby doll one, Come Fall in Love. All of this now you can just switch on MTV and you will see all the songs there. Again, the next one is Hot Remix. Have Hello Brother. I completely forgot about this movie. It's just that after seeing this is when I remember this movie. It has both the brothers, Salman and Arbaz. Yep, that's the one. Okay, we have Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, one of the famous movies. Then we have Rang De Basanti. Yeah. Next we have Kal Ho Na Ho. And the one we have is Asma. I don't remember this at all. Okay. And okay, the hits by A.R. Rahman. Vande Mataram used to be a favorite one. So the ones we have here, I'll just show you those before I sign off. This is Josh. Had lovely songs. Used to be a big hit when it came out. We have Kanta, Return of Kanta mix. Okay, we have Sarfarosh, a very big movie. We have Ek Hasina Thi, and we have, okay, one of the most famous music numbers of that time, Papa Kehte Hain. The last one we had Hrithik Roshan also. When he came out, he got introduced. That was also the time for the audio cassettes. I remember some of my friends bringing all this to the class and just showing off. Yeah, it has some rolls, so let me just show if I can show you some rolls in here. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Yeah, see that. This is how it looked. Kashmir. Beautiful movie, beautiful visuals, which is part of it. I don't know if Josh also has, yeah, it has a reel. Just to quickly show you the reel of Josh. Nothing to show in the cassettes, same old, plain old. But yeah, this is something which used to get traded also in my schoolhood time. People used to come bring it and then trade it for something else. Used to be pretty popular that way. One of the most popular movies at that point in time. So that's Josh for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video showcasing all the audio collection of mine. It took a long time for me to get this out and showcase it to you. So that's why I never spoke about it previously. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this one, and this brought back some memories of old times when you guys used to listen to some of the songs and the old cassettes. But feel free to share your thoughts and your comments, and if you have any special nostalgia associated with this kind of audio cassettes or collections, do share it with me. I would love to hear from you what you think of how this cassette industry used to be at one point of time. Then came the CDs, and now you don't need anything, you just use the mobiles, right? But for those special memory days, I dedicate this video.